Hey everyone! If you're looking for the macro mode setting on your iPhone 16 and can't find it, you're not alone. I'll explain why it's missing and what you can do to take close-up photos. Let's get into it. Does the iPhone 16 have a macro mode? Macro mode is a feature that enables iPhones to capture extreme close-up shots with exceptional detail. This feature is typically available on Pro models because it requires an ultra-wide camera with autofocus. The iPhone 16 does not possess the same advanced camera system as the Pro models, which is why there is no dedicated macro mode setting. Can you still take close-up photos? Even though there is no official macro mode, you can still capture decent close-up shots using the regular camera. Try slowly moving the phone closer to the objects and allowing the camera to adjust its focus. If it struggles to focus, move back slightly until the image appears sharp. You can also use portrait mode for a more detailed close-up effect. Alternatively, you can use third-party apps. If you want better close-up shots, there are camera apps in the App Store that use software to enhance macro photography. Apps like Halide or Camera Plus offer manual focus adjustments that might help you achieve improved macro shots on the iPhone 16e. Macro mode is missing on the iPhone 16 because it is only available on the Pro models. However, you can still capture great close-up shots by adjusting your distance or using third-party apps. I hope this helps.